Hi, I just wanted to go through a bit more of moles, but like the major details of them, and like a couple of things that you definitely need to know. So, all molar masses, when I'm saying like work out the molar mass of a compound, is just adding up the atomic masses of the elements, and you find that on the periodic table. It's a larger number. So, if you have hydrogen, its atomic mass is 1. Oxygen, its atomic mass is 16. So, if you had 2 hydrogens, then it'd be 2. It's just times by 2. So the next bit would be if you're looking at water, so it's got 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, so you need to times 1 by 2. So you've got atomic mass of 1 here, times by 2, plus 16. It won't work if you do, well, it might with this one, but it won't work normally if you did, say it was 2 times 4. It won't work if you do 2 times 4 plus 16. It needs to be in brackets. So that is 18. So the molar mass of water is 18 because that's the atomic masses added up. Now the question that you usually get without rearranging the equation is 2 grams of water. This is an example. 2 grams of water is the mass divided by the molar mass, and we've got that equation here. Look, I want to work out the number of moles, so I divide mass by molar mass. The number of moles is mass divided by mR. That's shortened. Mass needs to be in grams. Okay, that was a couple of things that I said to people on the exam question. So 2 grams divided by the molar mass of water. How many moles? All right, number of moles, mass grams divided by molar mass equals 0.1 recurring moles, or you can short that to just mole. So that is the type of question you'd get. That's not rearranged. I'll go over in the next lesson what you do if it says what's the mass. So just going through it quickly now, it'd be just moles times molar mass gives you the mass. Okay, we'll go through that a bit more next lesson. Bit more on working out molar mass of substances. Some people got a bit mixed up with trying to work out sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It's got 2 hydrogens, so you can't, and it's also got 4 oxygens, so you can't just 1 plus 16 plus 32. 1 times 2, because 1 atomic mass of hydrogen times 2, plus 32 for sulfur, and then 16 times 4, because it's 4. Again, all needs to be in brackets if it's just that's times by 4, equals 98. CO2, 12 plus 16 times by 2, because you've got 2 oxygens, and that's 44. And then hydrochloric acid is just 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. So I'm saying to people that it's 35.5 is the atomic mass of chlorine on the periodic table, and 1 for hydrogen. Now, so the perfect answer is 36.5. I will accept 37 because that would mean you rounded this up to 36 and then you added 1. 36 sort of acceptable, but you must have rounded that down, but 0.5 would be to round up. Okay, and then anything else is not correct, so have a look through that if you didn't get that. Okay, have a go at the worksheets I've given you. Thank you very much.